In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy from the App Store with a gift card. Whether you're treating yourself to a new game, a productivity app, or one of the many creative applications available, using a gift card is a simple and efficient way to purchase apps without directly accessing your payment details each time you make a purchase. Let's start by opening the App Store app on your iOS device. You can easily find the App Store icon on your home screen. It's the one with the unmistakable blue background and the white A. Once you've located it, give it a tap and let the app load up to the familiar home page. Right after the App Store opens, you'll want to head over to your account details. To do that, tap on your profile icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. This icon typically displays your profile picture or your initials depending on whether you've set a photo or left it at the default. Once you tap it, you will be taken over to your account settings page, which is essentially your dashboard for all things related to your Apple ID. After you're on your account page, look for the option that reads Redeem Gift Card or Code and tap on it. This brings you to a convenient screen where you can enter your gift card details. If you have a physical gift card, you can either key in the code manually, which is usually found beneath a scratch-off area on the back of the card, or you can use your device's camera to scan the card. Scanning is often the quickest method and minimizes the chances of errors if you accidentally mistype a number or letter. Once you've successfully entered or scanned your gift card code, your App Store balance will update, reflecting the amount you've just redeemed. Now it's time to make your purchase. Simply browse through the App Store just as you would normally. From games to productivity software, you can explore the various categories or use the search function to find exactly what you're after. When you make a purchase, your gift card balance will be automatically applied, ensuring that the funds are deducted from your App Store credit before trying to charge any other payment methods you might have on file. It's a seamless process that ensures that your gift card is used as your primary method of payment. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use an App Store gift card for purchasing apps on your device. Remember, this balance can be used for in-app purchases and subscriptions as well, giving you even more flexibility. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping on the App Store.